Hi everyone, so today I'm going to take you through how I made this 3D circle animation in After Effects. Let's get into it. Starting off, we want to create some text, so I'm going to name mine Circle System. Circle System. And what we want to do is we want to create a few of these, copy and paste a few of these on a line. Once you have your text, you want to go to the ellipse tool and then hold shift and drag to create a circle. Then we go over to our text layer, we go to text, path options, and then go to mask 1. And then we have our circle of text here. I need to size it down because it's too big at the moment. Size it down until it fits the whole of it. Maybe even take off one of these so I can have bigger text, which I'll do. Yeah. I think that's good for me. Then where we want to go after this is we're going to go to animate here on our text layer and then go to enable per character 3D. And then from here we want to go to animate, rotation, X rotation, put that to 90 degrees. Let's center this anchor point first before we go into anything further. And then we go to our transform properties of that text layer. For this, we're going to go for 227 and then 30. This will give us something like this. Geometry options, and then we put the extrusion depth to maybe 50. And then we can leave the rest. We go to layer and then we go to light. Okay. Also, we got to make sure that we're on Cinema 4D, not Classic or Advanced 3D. So Cinema 4D, and then we have to move this out. It's 3D now. If you want to do more extrusion, then you can. I think I'll probably put mine at 25 instead of 50. Go to layer, and then we go to solid. Want a gradient, 4-color gradient, and then we can just kind of choose something. Right, so we have that, and right click the black solid, and then we go to environment layer, and this will make it so that the color will be reflecting onto the text that we've got at the moment. So what we want to go and do is go to materials, and then we go to cast shadows. And we also put the reflection intensity to 50 and reflection sharpness to 50. Go to our black solid layer and we add a colorama. I'm going to put my colorama preset to probably solarized blue, and then I'll tone this down a little. Let's go back to our text layer and then go to geometry options, and then bevel style, we'll put it to angular. I think with this bevel, it makes it a lot nicer than what we had already. It's a lot cleaner and it just feels a lot better and feels a lot more 3D. We're gonna go text, path options, and then we're gonna animate the first margin. What I'm gonna do is set a ruler to here so that I can loop it in a smooth way. We make a keyframe here at the start for the first margin, and then maybe 3 seconds we can move the position to here. So now we have this basic animation going on. It's looking quite good. What I might do is go to the circle repetitions in the colorama for the black solid layer that we made with the gradient, and then I'm going to put the cycle repetition to maybe 5. Maybe 9, until you're happy with it basically. What I'm going to do to finish this off is put the diffuse of the material options to 100 on the text layer, and then we put the specular intensity to 100 as well, and this just pops a lot more. So yeah, this is how I created this 3D spinning text animation in After Effects. I hope you've enjoyed it and I hope you've learned something from this. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next and I'll look into it. But other than that, take care and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.